Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me, I have a Huawei Watch Fit 2, and I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with an Android phone. First, we need to turn on the watch by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch turns on or you see the Huawei logo on the screen, release the button and wait. After the watch completely turns on, you should see a list of languages. Scroll through by swiping up and down, find your language and tap to select it. Now we need to download and install the Huawei Health application on our phone, and this part is quite tricky because we need to go through a couple of steps. First, open the browser on your phone. I'll open Chrome, open a new tab, and search for Huawei App Gallery. You should see gallery.huawei.com. Tap on it, then tap the download button in the top left corner. Basically, we need to install the app gallery first, so tap install. This will prompt the download. Tap download anyway. After the file finishes downloading, you'll see a pop-up. Tap open. If you don't have the required permissions, you might get a security pop-up. Tap settings, allow the permission, go back and tap install. After app gallery is installed, tap open to launch it. Tap next, agree, allow permissions, and you're in. Now in the Huawei App Gallery, tap Search, type Huawei Health, tap Search, find the app on the list, and tap Install. Again, you might get a permissions pop-up. Allow it, go back, and tap Install again. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. I'll close App Gallery and open it from the phone. Once you open Huawei Health, select your region. I'll select United States, then tap Next, agree, and allow permissions as needed. Once you're done with permissions, you should see the health page of the app. Tap Devices, tap Add, and allow location permission. The app should start looking for nearby devices. As you can see, it detected the Huawei Watch Fit 2, so tap Link. Allow permissions if you want, then tap Pair and confirm by tapping the checkmark on the watch. Here we can check the boxes for auto install updates and auto download updates. Check them if you want, then tap Continue. Tap Done, then tap Continue. Now we can enable notifications. If you want to receive notifications on your watch, tap Enable. Tap on the screen, allow notification access for the Huawei Health app, go back, and notifications should be enabled. You can enable or disable notifications for specific apps as you like, then tap Done, then OK. Allow additional permissions if you want to use features like notifications, then tap OK. Once done, you should see the device page for your Huawei Watch Fit 2, meaning the watch is paired with your phone. And that's how you pair this watch with an Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like on the video.